Hello dinosaurs! Today I'm going to show you guys my collection of sea animals which contains like octopus, crabs, different crustaceans, some marine reptiles. So let's get right into it. There are no sharks and no whales in this collection video, okay? So first figure right here, we have a koi fish. Do you guys know that koi fish can actually live up to like 100 to even 200 years old? Right over here, we have a beautiful Mosasaurus. So you guys can see, this is actually a prehistoric marine reptile. Really love this. It is actually my most favorite prehistoric animal. Okay, next up, we have a hermit crab right over here. This is a very unique sea animal. It actually comes with a shell of its own. Okay, next up, what is this, guys? Are you guys able to tell me what this is? This is actually a coelacanth. Yes, it is actually a prehistoric fish. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna put this all over here. I'm gonna put all the fish on the left hand side and maybe all the crabs on the right hand side, okay? Next up, this is actually an Elasmosaurus, which is a prehistoric marine reptile. Just put this right over here. And we have a huge octopus. Yes, of course, octopus has like 8 tentacles. Next up, what about this one right here? I think this also has many tentacles. It is actually a jellyfish. Okay, put the jellyfish right over here. And we have a clown anemone fish, and this will be placed on the left hand side. Let's take a look at this. Wow, this is a shiny and golden fish. And this is actually a Lobsters. It is a prehistoric armored fish. I mean, if you guys take a close look at this, it is actually covered with really tough skin texture. And yeah, it is actually like a protective armor against predators. Alright. And we have a huge lobster right over here. Let's see whether the name is written right below. You can see it is written as lobster. Yes, this is a beautiful red lobster. It has 2 huge pincers. I'm gonna put all the lobsters and crabs right over here. Maybe hermit crab, we should place it on the left as well. Flying fish. Wow, I mean, take a look at this beautiful and shiny blue fish. It is like 4 wings, 2 pairs of wings, and they're both like translucent. Okay, you can actually like glide above the water. I'm gonna put this right over here. And this is a manatee. Okay, I have seen manatees in real life before at an aquarium in my country. What about this one right here? A beautiful fish. Okay, it's a huge fish. You can see it has very thick lips. And it's known as a Goliath grouper. Okay, this will be placed on the left hand side because I'm going to put all the fish on the left. Another Lobster fish right here, a prehistoric Lobster. You can see it has very scary looking teeth, and they should be really tough and sharp. Yep. What about this one? Okay, this is actually a giant squid. It is actually written right over here, but of course this figure is not that big. But you can see it also has how many tentacles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it has like 7. Yeah, not too sure. Okay. What else we've got? We have a catfish. You can see it has like plenty of like visco-like structures, and this viscose can actually help it find its way in the murky waters. Yes, all these catfish, they actually live in like really murky and muddy water. Yeah, and which is not very clear, so the viscose actually help them to find their way. We have a leatherback sea turtle, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's right. Leatherback sea turtle. Okay. And this is a blue crab. Yes, you can see. Almost the entire body is like, you know, painted in blue and green. It looks really interesting. And all crabs, this crab also has teeth in its stomach. Yeah, pretty interesting fact, right? Okay, let's put all the crabs over here. And we have a red one. I mean, if you take a look at this and if you read the name written right below, it says Sally Lightfoot Crab. Okay. What else we've got? Another prehistoric marine reptile, and this is known as Tylosaurus. Yeah, 2017 Safari Ltd Tylosaurus. I'll put this right over here. And we have a very, very beautiful looking stingray. I mean, it's known as a blue spotted ray. Okay, really soft, and it has a very shiny texture. I love it. What else we've got? Largemouth bass, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this is a largemouth bass. You can see the mouth is really, really huge. The fish will go on to the left. Ichthyosaurus, I'm not too sure whether this is actually a prehistoric marine reptile or is this like a prehistoric fish. I'm not too sure. So you guys please let me know down below, okay? Another Lobsters, another armored fish. So you can see this portion is like, you know, fully protected against the predators, and the teeth look so scary, but it looks so powerful at the same time. This is a lobster. Yep, this lobster figure actually comes with a very comprehensive fact card. Okay, let's see. They have poor eyesight, but highly developed sense of taste and smell. Okay, so I'm not too sure. So I didn't know that, you know, lobster, they have like poor eyesight, but they have good sense of smell. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Another lobster right here. This is another clownfish. I think this is Nemo. So adorable. And speaking of adorable sea animals, check this out. This is another really adorable one. And this is actually known as a boxfish. Yeah, because the shape of its body actually looks like a box. Very interesting. Another manatee. And this is a walrus. You can see it as like two huge tusks. What else we've got? This it's a Australian sea lion, if I'm not too wrong. Just a sea lion, I think. Just a sea lion. I'll put the walrus over here. Manatee here as well. Alright, let's see. Another lobster. Okay. And this is a moray eel. Yeah. Very interesting looking sea animal. I've never seen one before in real life, but I've actually seen an electric eel before. And this is an anglerfish. Yeah, it has this really cool like bob in front of its face to attract like prey. Yeah. Another squid right over here. This is a weedy sea dragon, so you can see the body is like so colorful. There's like plenty of different spots and colors. So beautiful. Octopus, another one. Okay, it is like 8 tentacles again. And you guys know that, you know, octopus, they are able to camouflage themselves really well. This is a brown crab. Another crab, and this is actually known as a king crab. Yeah, that's right. You can see the body has like plenty of like thorns and spikes. Yeah, it looks like a spider to me. A frogfish, they're able to walk on their seabed. Okay, and this is an emperor penguin. Emperor penguin is actually the largest species of penguins around. A turtle. Not too sure what exactly is this type of turtle. Let's see. It is just written as a sea turtle. Okay, so I think it's a pretty generic one. And this is actually a red ear slider. So you can see it has like 2 stripes of red across the face. They are also known as terrapins. I've kept 3 of them at home. One of them is sick. Hopefully can get well soon. This is a marble ray, so you can recognize it by the patterns on its body. It looks like the patterns on a slab of marble stone. Manta ray. Yeah, this figure has been with me for many years. Yeah, I think since 2004. This is a reef squid. Yeah, that's right. I really love this figure a lot because it is like translucent, it's like really soft and rubbery. I really like this a lot. Another octopus. A little penguin, let's see. It's just written as a little penguin. Yeah. They don't really indicate the species, and this is a spotted seal. Looks really adorable. A giant tortoise. This is actually a land animal. It doesn't really belong here, but it's fine. And this is a ray. I'm not too sure. It could be like a spotted ray. Not too sure what is the exact species. And this is a cow-nosed ray. Yeah, very interesting name. Okay. Another clownfish. Looks so adorable and so beautiful. This is a stingray. This is the exact stingray. It comes with this little spear, this little spike, which can be very, very deadly, you know. And this is a poisonous frog, I think. I'm not too sure what is the exact species. So if you guys know, please help me out. And this is a salmon fish. They are anadromous, which means they actually feed and live in different places. They live in the sea and returning to fresh water to spawn. Yeah, very interesting fact. Cephalopods, which is like a prehistoric fish, I think. Yeah, really love this fish. It's like so shiny, so silverish. And this is actually a horseshoe crab. Yeah, that's right. I mean, if you take a look at this, it is actually like a living fossil. They have been present around like since like hundreds and hundreds of million years ago. This should be a rock hopper penguin. It's a very significant penguin with the with the hairstyle. And this little penguin right here, it should be an African penguin. So let's see. Yep, it's known as an African penguin. Our last few figures, this is actually a starfish. Very interesting and beautiful looking sea animal. Another ray. Okay. Another penguin. I think this is really the rockhopper penguin. Let's see. Let's try to find its name. Yeah, rockhopper penguin 2012 figure. And this is a blue tang. This fish can actually adjust their color intensity. So some of them can be like light blue, and some of them can be like darker shades of blue. Really cool. Another emperor penguin, and this is what we call a nudibranch. Yeah, I don't have much facts about this sea animal, but yeah, really interesting one. Okay, I think that's all we have for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. I'll be getting more sea animal figures really soon, so stay tuned for that. Goodbye, and yeah, goodbye.